Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin Up demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to my channel. I'm really excited today because I'm going to share with you three really fun, simple cards using some fun products in the Annual Catalogue. I've grabbed the Greetings for All Mix and Match. These are like ephemera packs, as well as the Time for Celebration, which is a mix and match. Has all your, Christmas, Valentine's, Father's Day, birthday, everything that you're going to need is in this ephemera pack. Perfect for your card making, your scrapbooking. And I'm also using the Embossed Designs Mix and Match Specialty Cards and Envelopes. I really love these because they're embossed. We have stripes, we have like dots that are like a golf ball. So super fun. Now that you can find these in the Annual Catalogue. As I get started, I just want to let you know I created these as part of my Christmas in July Tracy Sunday challenge, which is on this week. If you would like to create a card for Christmas in July, please share it with everyone. You just head over to my business Facebook page and find the blog post, or the challenge post, and pop your card in the comment section. So what I really love about these ephemera packs is the price point is pretty damn good, and you're getting lots and lots of great embellishments that you can use for your scrapbooking, for your card making. The newer ephemera packs actually are stickers, which is super fun. As you can see, I'm sort of playing here to get the backing off. The first few designs that Stampin' Up brought out were actually just heavy cardboard, which was fine as well. So you can leave the backings on and pop up, or take the backings off and still pop up, or just sit them straight down and adhere into your cards. Now what I really like about these embossed design mix and match cards, they really bring that element right up because they've got the embossed ready to go. They are super elegant and really make it that little bit extra of a card because it's already fancy just with the card base. They come with matching envelopes as well, which is fantastic. So this first card I have gone with the wreath. There's also a little bauble sticking. I've sort of got it so it's sort of sticking from the top of the wreath. There is a big red bow that I've attached to the bottom of the wreath, and then I've taken the Merry Christmas sentiment from the Greetings for All bundles, and we're going to pop that up with just some little mini embellishments. Now again, you can see how simple this card is. You could give these to kids and get them to create really awesome cards as well. Great for elderly. Again, the price point is fantastic. And it's a great way of creating without having to have all the things. And I did grab these after last on stage where we got to see the new Annual Catalogue, and I really haven't played with them too much, so I thought this would be a great week to create a few wonderful cards. Now I'm going to bring in some embellishments, and I will 100%, I have no idea whether these are still current or not. Things are in and out of being current. I can't keep up at the moment. Iridescent faceted gems, they are super cute and have a really great detail on them. Perfect for our Christmassy series to create cards and projects. So that's the first card. Very simple. Now I haven't stamped anything on the inside. I'll go back and do that, but we're just making them nice and easy. No stamping, all just ephemera packs. Okay, to the second one. I really liked these little sprigs of holly and leaves. I think that's what they're called. We're going to go with that. So I'm going to grab a couple of those out. I'm also using the the golf ball card front, which has got these little embossed dots everywhere. It's really cute. So I'm grabbing that out. I'm also going to grab the Merry Christmas. It's more of a rectangle type sentiment. Now what's really great, that sentiment set actually has black writing on white, and then there's also white writing on black. Now what's really great with these as well is you can color them in. So if you don't want them white on black or black on white, you can color them in and make it gel with your card or your project as well. So I could have left this really plain. We're going to pop it up a little bit by adding a little bit of ink blending. So I've got my garden green. I just looked at the colours to see what matched with those little holly and berries. And then I've got my blending brush and just creating a little bit of a background there, a nice light background. Now usually when I'm doing a little bit of flicking, I like to use my stamping blends because they're a cheaper price point and it does wreck your nibs. Garden Green I could not find, and I don't think there is a stamping blend in Garden Green, so I've had to go my Stampin' Right markers. It gives it a really nice little splatter. Now effectively I could have probably also used my Wink of Stella and picked up a little bit of that ink from like a block or something. I added a little bit of Garden Green ink to a block and then picked it up with the Wink of Stella and flicked that. That would have looked really good as well, so that's also another alternative. And then I'm just going to pop this sentiment up and then add my little embellishment from the ephemera pack as well. Now for the embellishments that we're going to use on this card, I've used the Cherry Cobbler and Pearl Adhesive Backberries. These were, I think, either last year or the year before. And I have a funny feeling that they might even be still in the annual catalogue. But if they're not, use what you have in your stash. Have a look at what you've got. I have a ton of products, and you know, some are in current and some are retired, and I'm just at the stage now where I'm just going to use what I have, because that's I bought them, I really like them, and I really want to use them. So you'll see that a little bit more in my videos. And we're going to do a third card as well. Now just to let you know as well, I did do a card for the Christmas in July theme. I didn't do a video, but you can check out, I'll have a the picture up in the social media, as well as I'm going to try and do a reel on it because it's so cute, using the new Tractor & Co. and another set that's part of the online exclusives, which are really great sets. Adventure Abound or something like that it is. I'm not really 100% sure now. But okay, let's move on to our third and final card. I could have kept going with these because honestly they are super simple and a really great way of using your quick supplies to create some cards. I just wanted to do something quick while I was watching TV, and I wanted to film it for you as well, just to show you how good these ephemera packs are, and you know how anyone can create using these. Now if you are enjoying this video, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe, and if you're after any of these ephemera packs and you live in Australia, you can purchase them in my online store. I'll have a link in the description of this video, as well as a link in on the screen for you. Actually, it won't be a link, it'll just be the site, so you can check that out. So I went with these, you know, beautiful icicles. Unfortunately we have summer for Christmas time, so Christmas in July. It is winter here now, and I'm going to use my snowflakes. So I grabbed these different sized snowflakes, and I'm using the striped card kit for this one, and this color is what I think is cloud cover. Now I have my cloud cover ink pad here. I will say in this video, as I was editing this video, I thought, oh wow, that looks terrible. It looks dirty. It looks like I've just rubbed a whole heap of dirt or soot across this page. In real life, it actually looks really quite pretty. It's a little bit of a different colour to the snowflakes. I probably could have went with a really light hand of balmy blue, but I still really like how it turned out. And like I said, although it looks dirty on the camera here, in real life it's actually a really pretty blue grey, and it does look really nice with the icicles in the background, or the snowflakes in the background. So we're just going to pop them all down. I'm also going to pop up, we're using some mini dimensionals, that sentiment, and here I've used the white writing on black just to make it stand right out, which is super pretty. And I went back with that first card that we used, the iridescent faceted gems. I've also used that on this card as well, because it really has that icicle look. They're iridescent, so they look really pretty as well. And yeah, 3 wonderful cards, very quick and easy, using the ephemera packs and the embossed designs mix and match specialty cards and envelopes. 100% would recommend these for your craft room, whether you're maybe going away on holidays, or you know, if you've got family member in hospital or in a nursing home, these would be really great to get some cards created. They'll feel crafty, and you know, you don't need a lot for them. You know, you could certainly get away with not even having embellishments, but you know, if you want to get an embellishment that'll go with everything, You can also use the rhinestones, the basic rhinestones, because they go with everything. And I think this turned out really, really nicely as well. So 3 beautiful cards. If you would like to join in Tracy's Sunday Challenge, I have a new challenge every single week on Sunday morning. So you can head over to my socials and see that each week. Please join in. The more people that join in, the more fun we have at creating and sharing and inspiring with some really great ideas. The challenges are always fun, and I love to see what everyone creates. So come and join in. Alright, so here are our 3 beautiful cards. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget you can purchase these in my online store, and if you haven't hit subscribe, please do that, and the little thumbs up bell as well. Alright everyone, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye bye.